In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration on the Opera web browser on your Mac OS or MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Opera button up in the menu bar and then select Settings. You want to search for acceleration. Best result should come back with use graphics acceleration when available. Toggle this to the right if you want to enable or to the left if you want to gray it out and turn it off. And you may have to relaunch the browser for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.